Today we are talking about all things locks. Yes, honestly, getting my hair locked is one of the best decisions I have made for myself. Is one of the best decisions I have made for my hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chiki. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you for joining again. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So today I want to talk about my hair. As you can see, my hair is in locks. Locks is 19 months old. So the early days of my locks, I had to be really careful because I started from relaxed hair and it took a bit of time for it to really lock. So I had to be very careful when I was washing it. Had to be very careful who did my retie. Getting someone to do my retie was another struggle, but I now have a loctician, a particular loctician that does that for me, and it's just been such a blessing to get that person consistently doing my reties for me. So I try to do my retie every 8 weeks. There has been a period where I've not been consistent with that, but we are back on track now and we are very consistent with that, and my hair is thriving. I don't know how many locks I have. I've not counted, but it's something maybe I will do on my second anniversary, my second lock anniversary. I will take some time and count it. That's the plan. So I'll talk you through very quickly how I maintain my locks. My lock wash routine is very simple. I love to keep it simple. I'm not one of those people that will complicate a wash routine for you. I think simple and consistent is more effective than any 10 steps wash routine you will ever see on the internet. Just keep it simple, keep it consistent. I start by applying shampoo to my scalp. I love using this bottle. I put the shampoo and a little bit of water in it. It helps me to apply it directly to my scalp, and this helps to loosen up any product buildup, any oil in my scalp before I go in the shower. So I just add it every corner of my hair. Make sure I'm adding it directly to the scalp, and the nozzle of the bottle really helps. And as I add it, I just massage it gently with my fingers to make sure I am spreading the product all around. If you've enjoyed this video so far, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. So just go into the shower, and first I will let the water just rinse out the initial shampoo that I added. Just massage your locks very gently using your fingers only. And then I'm going to go ahead and add more shampoo to it using the same bottle. It helps to add it directly to the scalp, and this time around I am going to add more shampoo to the locks itself to also take away any oil or product buildup on it. So just massaging your scalp gently. I make sure I get every corner of my scalp, both under the hair, at the back of my ear, and just squeeze that out. This is so satisfying. I love this process, and I just stand under the shower to just let those shampoo rinse out. It's better you let all the shampoo out of your hair. Make sure you let all the product out of your hair. You don't want the product sitting there. So open up your hair, go section by section to let the water in so that it takes away all the shampoo. And this is part of my self-care. So I just let that water go all over me. And there you have it. So when I step out, I just wrap my hair to soak up the initial water out of it. And I'll then add my rosemary oil. This is rosemary oil. It helps to keep my scalp moisturized. It will lock in that moisture, and it also helps in hair growth. I've seen results since I've been using it. I've been using it for almost a year now. It has this pipette and it helps to deposit the oil directly to the scalp. So I make sure I add it all over and then I massage it in gently with my fingers, my front hair, my scalp. And finally on my locks, I like to go in with a bit of leave-in conditioner just on the locks this time, not on the scalp. Just a little bit, go on the locks, the strands of the locks. It just helps to lock in the moisture and keep it looking fresh. That's just it, my easy, simple lock care routine, and I'll give you a close-up of my texture. Look at that texture. I mean, the lock is looking very healthy. My hair is thriving and I'm so proud of how far I have come on my lock journey. Like I said, this is one of the best decisions I have made for myself. It's been 19 months and it's going on strong. If you want to get locks, I really recommend it. In your early stages, make sure you're keeping up with your retie. Make sure you're cleaning your hair, especially your scalp, to prevent product buildup, and also make sure you're doing low manipulation. Just leave the hair alone and it will thrive better. So that's my easy step-by-step lock maintenance routine. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know. I plan to do a lot more video on my locks and how it's going, especially as I count down to 2 years as a locked babe. And if you have product suggestion or tips and tricks that work for locks, I want my locks to be long. Whenever I see people with very long locks, oh my God, I am so jealous. I'm like, when will I get to this stage? So if you have anything that will really help grow my hair, regrow my edges, let me know in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. It really encourages me. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.